Hi, I'm Grant Hoover. I attend Dover Area High School. My graduation year is 2014, and I'm a pitcher/outfielder.
Oh man, he's moving. He's moving. Throw it to the back. Throw it there.
I know.
Hold up. Grant Hoover. Pause. Two curveballs. One. Come on, Grant. Come on, Grant. Go, 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 go!
Yeah, I was thinking just hit the ball hard somewhere and just, you know, make them have to make a nice play, you know, to get the guy out at home, because, you know, the time run was at third, game-winning run was at second, and I hit the ball to the first baseman, and luckily it went through his legs and 2 runs came in on that hit. This game ranks up top with one of my best games. I mean, being able to come in and, you know, strike out a lot of batters and, you know, keep us in the ball game, you know, it's really exciting. And, you know, for us to come out and get a win against a great Division I team, Dallastown, you know, it makes me smile. There, you know, Jakey Jacobson, our starter, he went out and did his job through strikes and kept us in the game. And I came in, and I was just I was seeing the mitt well, and I was throwing strikes, and my ball was tailing. And once I got on base, we got a little excited, and we got the runs that we needed to put us in the lead. And just went out there the last inning, and I was thinking 3 outs, and I got him.
Way to go, Grant! All right.